Okay. Um, Nobody's on the Zoom call. So this is the assignment for the day, I guess. Go to the Google Classroom. Should go to this one. It's called June 8th, day 5. Open that up. There's 2 assignments. This is the slideshow. This is your notes. In your notes, go File, make a copy, title it your name. That's what you're going to actually submit with me. This stuff, it's a little weird. It's okay though. Just click on it, I think twice. And it's going to open up this drawing function. Then hit text for text box. And then you can just right here type your answer just like that. Okay. So in terms of what you actually have to do, sort of write what civil disobedience is, then do a think share. So think about each question, write your answer after the first one. There's no partner, so ignore that part. What happens when laws are unjust? Do we have a responsibility, to break them? That's sort of just your personal opinion. What is something besides family that you care about enough to fight for, and how far would you fight for it? And then there's this stuff. So this is a graphic organizer on direct service on different tactics of social change. That's going to be clear what I mean there. So there's just sort of different pieces of information. Then, so like direct service is addressing basic needs of people. And some examples are homeless shelters, clothing drives, etc. So then here's what you would want to do for that is you'd want to go back here and then you'd want to take notes. So then you'd want to take notes and you'd want to put what the definition of direct service is, and then you'd want to give like what the examples are. So you're going to do that for a whole bunch of these things. You're going to do that for everything down through, I think, militant revolt. Okay, once you finish up with this last one that says militant revolt, there's one last piece. So you're going to go ahead and click on this hyperlink. This is on page 4. This is going to take you to this web page right here. Okay, this is an article about these West Oakland BART shutdowns that were done in protest about 5 years ago. Yeah, and what you're going to do is you're just sort of going to read about this event. You don't need to read the one that says document 2. We'll get to that tomorrow. Just go ahead and read through the end of page 2. Okay, right here, which says more than 40 BART police. And then what you're going to do sort of in reaction to that is fill this out. So an event summary, I'm looking for about 3 to 5 sentences about the event summary. And then in each box, you're going to just basically do what each box is asking for. So this one is, what should the government have done? So this is what do you think the government response should be? That's going to ask you to make an evaluation. Then, was this act successful? Or this act was successful or unsuccessful? And then say why. Why do you think the protest was successful? And then down here, you're going to write, what were people fighting for? And lastly, would you have done the same? Why or why not? All right, that's it. And then you can turn that in. Make sure you go ahead and do that. After this point, you don't need to worry about anything else. We'll get to that in time. That's it. Okay, hope everybody's doing well, and I'll talk to you soon. Get this in by the end of the day, please. Thanks. Bye.